Welcome to our adventure through the amazing world of household stuff. Today, we're going to discover the magical things that make our homes super special.
Hi, everyone. I'm so ready to learn about the cool things we have at home.
Let us start our journey in the kitchen, where the magic of cooking happens.
Wow, look at all these cool gadgets. This is where we make yummy food.
Absolutely. Check out the refrigerator. It keeps our food fresh and cool. And here is the magical microwave, turning popcorn kernels into tasty popcorn.
Oh wow. That's awesome. It looks very cool. What is this?
Ah, that is a blender. It mixes fruits and veggies to make delicious smoothies.
That is awesome. I want to try that at home.
Let's go. Next stop, the bathroom. Here, we discover secrets about personal care.
Cool. So many things. What do they all do?
That is a toothbrush and toothpaste. They keep our teeth shiny and clean. And over here, we have soap and shampoo to stay fresh and clean.
I'll be a bathroom superhero at home now.
And now, welcome to the coziest place in the house, the bedroom.
I love my bedroom. What is special here?
That is your bed, a magical place where dreams come true. And see that wardrobe, it keeps your clothes neat and organized.
Yes, I know this. I love my magical bed.
Explorers, our journey through household stuff has been fantastic. Every corner of our homes holds something special and magical. What is your favorite thing at home?
I love everything. It's all is very magical.
That is right. Our homes are full of amazing things. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. Bye, friends.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.